Snapchat login error fix. So go ahead and search for Snapchat support and tap on submit a request. Once you tap on it, you will land here. So go ahead and tap on I can't access my account in the first one, and in the second tap on my account is compromised. After this, a number of articles will pop up for which we have to scroll down and tap on yes on still need help. Here, go ahead and enter your username linked to your Snapchat, email address linked to your Snapchat, mobile number, device which you are using, and the date since when it started to appear. Now, once you do that, you have to select a file that is probably the screenshot of the problem. Now, once you do all of this, here in the description box, go ahead and describe your issue. You can write in this dialog box that your account has been temporarily disabled, however, you have not violated any of the community guidelines or policy of Snapchat. Then all you have to do is tap on the submit bubble at the end of the screen, and Snapchat team will get back to you after a couple of days. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.